The health benefits of waking up earlier. You've likely been told that getting up earlier is good for you, and it is. Getting up earlier doesn't only help you be more productive, but it can also be healthier. If this sounds a little crazy to you, don't worry, you aren't alone. Keep reading to learn more about all the awesome health benefits of getting up earlier. Healthier eating habits. It's time to face the facts. When you are rushing out the door in the morning, you don't have time to start your day right by eating a healthy breakfast. According to Sleep Advisor, what you eat first thing in the morning can affect your food choices all day. By getting up earlier and starting the morning with a healthy breakfast, you can improve your eating habits all day long. Better mental health. Getting up early is a tall order when struggling with stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. But the truth is, getting up early helps you develop a routine, and having a routine is much better for mental health than rolling out of bed right before your alarm clock. Although it will be difficult for you to start getting out of bed early, you will soon notice your mental health benefits. Not to mention that you can add things like meditation to your schedule, and this can help lower your stress and improve your relationship with your mind. Time to exercise. Many people want to exercise, if only they had the time. Well, newsflash, when you start getting up early in the morning, you will have plenty of time to exercise before you start work. When you exercise first thing in the morning, this will boost energy and adrenaline that can keep you going all day long. So don't be afraid to plan a morning run, weightlifting session, or even join an early morning yoga class. Better sleep quality. Do you feel like you never sleep well? Waking up early at the same time every day can help with this. Your body regulates your sleep better when you have a specific sleep routine. So even though you are getting up earlier, you will find that when you sleep, you are sleeping more deeply and feeling more rested than when you were sleeping in before. Getting up early is no easy task, but it is a great benefit to your health. It helps in all of the above ways, improving both your physical and mental health. So if you haven't decided yet, it's time to consider setting yourself a schedule that includes getting up early every day.